Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about the some codes of linked list. In my previous two video in part 1 and part 2, I also briefly discuss about the various types of linked list in singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list also, and I also briefly discuss all of the parts and all of things. And in this video I going to explain briefly the code and the data structure and algorithmic code of linked list. So see it carefully, and if you cannot see my previous two video, uh, please see the all of the linked list video for more better concept. So now start. So here you can see that the some code of linked list it is written here, and you can see that the data structure doubly linked list. So you can see here the code of some type of operation of code of doubly linked list. In this video I also discuss about the some operations of doubly linked list. So at first, insertion operation. What is insertion? Insertion means that in my previous video I said that what is insertion. Insertion is a type of data which I want to input in the middle or first or last in a linked list. So input or insertion it means that I want to add any data or element in the first, last or middle or any place in the linked list. So if I want to add any insert any element, so what we can do? So it is the code of insert any element or insert any element or data in a linked list. So it is the code of this. So see this code. So here you can see that the code is, at first it is written that insert link at the first location. So indentation is the most important things. So please write indentation of each and every code. So it gives a more visuality, or your concept will be clear when you when you written the indentation. So at first you can see that the insert link at the first location, all of the codes are in Java. Okay, so guys, you can see that the void insert first. So why here the voice insert first int key and int data. I want to insert any data, so here it is the I am taking the input of int data, and int I also taking a key as a input. So you can see that the it is written that create a link. So we are working with the linked list. So it is the most important thing that all of the data will be connected with link. In my previous video I also discussed about linking and all of things. So please see my past two video. So link is the most important things of linked list, So here you can see that the struct node star link is equal to struct node star. It is the if you have something knowledge about Java, so you can identify that it is the type of indentation or declaration. So then here you can see that the malloc size of short node. So in previous videos of in my channel I cannot discuss about the malloc or calloc function. Something it is the new for you, but I make a video in next. I make some next video about the malloc, calloc and some other functions. So don't worry, see my next video. So malloc is used for insertion, and malloc of size of malloc mainly used for identify or declare a fixed size. So here we are, you can see that the malloc size of is the operator. So here use of size of. Then it is the struct node. It is the node we are inserting element on node. So here we are written that the struct node. And then you can see that the link key is equal to key. So it means that the key is also linked. Like you can see that the link is the most important. So link key is equal to key. So and then link with data. At first we are link with key, and then link with data. So link with key, it means that the location of next data, and the link of data, it means that the element of the linked list. So in my previous video I said that the a part of a linked list have a two part. A part is a element part, and the next part is the position or store of the next data, or the second part of the linked list also contains the next part or next element, next element's location. So here then you can see that the if and else is a condition. If else, if and else is the condition. So here it is written that if is empty, it means that if here isn't any linked list, or here isn't any node or element. If here it hasn't any element, so you can see that the make it the last link. So it is seen that the if is operated when we haven't any data in a linked list. So it is then it is if is operated as a last data of the linked list. So here it is the written that last equal to link, and then the else operation. So else operation, you can see that it is the indentation update the first preview link. It says that the if we haven't any if we have a linked list, then it add in the first or head. In previous video I said that the head and tail node of a linked list. So see that. And if linked list exist, or a linked list have r data or many data, isn't matter. If any type of element are present in a linked list, then the inputted value will be added in the head position. So here it is written that the head prev is equal to link. Here you can see that a link use of link is in various position, because of link is the most important thing in linked list. Then it is closed, else loop will be else loop is closed. And then you can see that the point it to the old first link. So then it will be point the old first link, and link next is equal to head, it is written, and point the first to the new link, point the first of the new link. So it is written also. So then point first to new first link. So it is the linking position, and it's also said that if I inputted a data, it also linked in the first position, which is the head position. Head equal to link, and it is the closed loop, and it is the final loop, and it is in a full loop, and it is the last loop. So now I will be going to discuss about the deletion operation of doubly linked list. it is quite easy than insertion operation. So you can see that the delete the first item, we want to delete the first element of this linked list. So what I'll be do, so here it is the struct node start delete first. It is the also the common part of all of linked list code. Struct node delete first, we want to delete, so delete first element, we want to delete first element, so we are written delete first. And then it is the loop will be open, and it is the full loop where the full code will be run. And then you can see that the save reference to the first link, and save of reference means the location. You know that the linked list also contain the reference position, reference of next data. So here it is said that the save reference of first link. So for save reference, I can write that the struct node star temp list is equal to head. So we are on to the first link or head. First link is also set the head, and then it is the then will become in the if operation. All of the code have in linked list have the if operation, because of we have all linked list or we haven't any linked list data in a linked list. So here it is the mandatory for using the if else. So in if loop head next is equal to null and the last equal to null, and the else in the else position, if we have a linked list in previous, and then so then what happened, head next prev is equal to null. And because we are want to delete the first element, so here we are written the head equal to head and head next. We are written the head equal to head next because of the first element also contains the location of the next data, and return temp link. And now I'll be very fastly show about the insertion or next thing. So next I will be going to discuss the insertion at the end of the operation. So insertion at the end of the operation. So I'll be say it faster. So see it. So you can see that at first it is the indentation is mandatory. So here it is written that insert a link at the last location. We are want to insert any data in the end of the linked list. So here we are written that the voiced link insert last, and then int key and in data we are in want to input data. So here it is the taken input, and then create a link, and link is the most important thing. And then struct node star link is equal to struct node star, and the here it is also use the malloc function, and I make a video in my next video is on malloc and calloc. So then size of operator is used, because malloc also said that the or fixed the size. Malloc is used for fixed size of a data. So then struct node link key is equal to key, and link data is equal to data. So here I say in my previous code said that the in linked list have a two part, key and data part. Also key part is the location, contains the location of the next data. If the linked list is empty, make it the last link. So it means that the if we haven't any link we haven't any data in the linked list, it makes it's also create a last node. And then the else operation, else last next is equal to link. So link this previous is equal to last, and point, and here the loop will be closed, and then point last to new last node is equal to last equal to link. and here the full of the loop will be completed. And in my next video I'll be say about the malloc, calloc, and some more things about data structure and algorithms. So see my next video, and if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my video.